you. Karma. Kunti na lang. You take your order.
You make it no. You don't.
Ayan. Corn beef. Masarap yung corn beef. Ang dami. Bread. Toast bread. Gravy. Biscuit.
Is your favorite?
Sausage. Link. Konti na lang. Sausage link. Ito. And bacon. Yan yung kape natin. Nag-order tayo ng kape. Isang pitchel naman ang inilagay Oh. Yan. Yun. Depende na lang sa iyo kung marami kang magkape. Ayan. Tapos, yung creamer, ayan din, pagkakadami naman. Sugar. Ito yung food natin. Tapos, ayan yun. Kahit tayo mga meme, halata ba? Hindi ako nakatulog. Ewan ko ba? Tapos, ito yung food natin. Marami na naman tayong food. Scrambled egg. Meron natin scrambled egg. Sausage link. Corn beef. Masarap yung corn beef. Ham. Bacon. Yung bacon. Ito yung ham. Ayan. At saka toast bread. Ayan. Walang rice. Pero okay lang. Ayun. Kain tayo mga meme. Nagutom. Umalis ng bahay. Walang time mag-breakfast. In fairness, masarap. Ngayon, inaantok ako. Just a nice bread.
French toast. That's what it's called.
It's nice. And also this corned beef is so nice. Nice.
Good. Glad you're enjoying your breakfast. Haven't done nothing since last night. No breakfast this morning.
It's early. It's early leaving the house.
Yep.
Ano, buffet breakfast. Or ang tawag ay so ayun mga meme, kain muna ha. Salamat. Sige meme, sa sobrang gutom ko, bumalik ako. Oh, ayan yung food ko ulit.
Oink, oink, oink.
Oink, oink daw. Oink, oink daw. Gutom talaga ako, meme. Ang dami ko nang kumain ngayon.